choosing our TigerSecu 2MP DVR. Today I'm going to show you how to set it up. Okay, you're gonna receive the package. Looks like this. This is our logo, TigerSecu. And this shows the model number. For example, this one is the 402G16. This is the model number, and this is our website. Okay, their accessory box looks like this. And here you will find our contact information, service at TigerSecu.Inc. If you have any question, feel free to let us know. We're more than happy to help. And here's the instruction regarding if you have CVI cameras, how to set the CVI cameras correctly. Okay. After you open their accessory box, you will see the power supply. There are actually two parts. And later I'm gonna show you how to connect them together. And this is the remote control. Okay, it looks like this. And this is the battery for it. Okay, and this is some screws. This is because for this DVR, it's actually one without the hard drive pre-installed, so you might need to install the hard drive yourself. This is a 16-channel DVR, so it supports 6 GB hard drive. And if you purchase a 4-channel or like 8-channel camera DVR, then it supports 6 GB hard drive. Okay. And this is a mouse. This is actually a USB mouse. Okay. So in the package, you will also find a quick connection guide, which gives you a general idea of how this DVR works. This is the front page, and this is the back page. Okay. And also you will find a detailed version of use guide well designed. It will show you step by step how to use the DVR. Okay. You will find instructions of all features here. Okay, and this is the warning sticker. That's the one large warning sticker and 2 small ones. Okay, here comes our DVR box. You can see from the front panel, this is the Tiger logo here. This is actually a 2MP DVR, so it's actually our latest version. Have a lot of great features. And here you will see 2 lights. One is for the power and the other one for the hard drive. And here you will see this is actually 16-channel DVR. Okay. And let's see the back side of it. Here, this is the 16 channel for the 16 cameras. And this DVR actually features 3 video output ports. So for example, this is the CVBS port, and this is the VGA port, and this is the HDMI port to connect to the HDMI cable. And here comes the 4 audio input, and this is the audio output. Okay, and this is the network for the network cable, the Ethernet cable. How you connect the DVR remotely via your phone or via your computer, you will need to connect the Ethernet cable first. Make sure it's flashing. Later I'm going to show you. And here comes 2 USB ports. One is for the USB mouse, and the other one is for the backup USB stick. Okay, and this is actually the green one is for the pan-tilt camera, and this one comes the power. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to connect the cameras. And all of this is not included in the single box DVR, so you might need to purchase them separately. If you already have them, they're all from your own DVR, that is okay. And there are 4 parts we're gonna need to use. The first one is the power supply. Here is a 9-way splitter. Here is a 60 feet cable, or you can purchase a 100 feet, based on your needs. And this is our 1080p TigerSecu camera. Okay, so first of all, we need to take the power supply. here there are actually two parts. So we take this side and plug it into the box like this. Okay, and then we take this side and connect it to the splitter like this. Okay, here there are 9 splitters here, so we're gonna take one and connect it here to the cable, and we leave this one out. Okay, later we're gonna connect it to the DVR. And here come the other side of the cable. We'll connect it to the cameras. Okay, this is for the power, and this is for the signals. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you how to assemble the DVR. Okay, I'm gonna take one camera as an example. So here we already connected the cameras, the cables. So we take one side of the cable, there's one lead we connect it to the splitter, and the other side we connect it to the channel. So then you need to do the same thing for the rest of the channels here. And this is the VGA cable. This is the HDMI cable. So you can use just either of them, or you can use both. It depends on your need. And here, this is the network cable. So if you only want to use it locally, then you don't need to connect it. But if you want to view the DVR remotely, you might need to check it out. Make sure it is firmly connected to the DVR, and the light here, see, it is flashing. So if it's not flashing at all, then you might need to unplug it and reconnect it. You will hear a click sound. And after that, if it is still not flashing, then the cable might come back. You might need to replace the cable. Okay, so if it's like if the light is on but it's not flashing, you may contact us directly at service@TigerSecu.Inc, and we're more than happy to help you. And here's the mouse. We connected here. Okay, and then here we connect the power supply. Okay.